Okay. Um, this is live coding with T Money. I'm T Money. Today we're going to be going through, well, today, as if I've been doing this for a long time. This is basically our first official live cast, and I'm going to be going over the Railsbridge Intro to Rails Suggestotron curriculum. I'm going to try to see how far I can get with that and talk through some of my thoughts as I go through it. And yeah, now I'm going to put on some music. So Richard Julian is going to tell me what music to put on. He's going to suggestotron some music for me. I asked him if I should put on Chiptunes or Dirty Vegas. He doesn't know. I'm going to put on Dirty Vegas. It's something more broader appeal for my first stream. New version of Spotify had to do that. Okay. Okay, so I was gonna ask Richard if he can hear the music. Can you hear the music? Did you see me put it on? Okay, so here's my this. I use Emacs. This can get smaller. Oh, my internet connection is not good. Oh, the music, boo. Oh, so much lag. Man. Why is that so shitty? Why are you so shitty, Spotify? Well, now it works when I'm looking at it. Okay, so I'm reading through this page here. CD code. Make dear Rails. Oh, boo on the music. Come on, you're killing me. Who is... I don't have transmission on. Who's, like, taking all my bandwidth? What is going on? Interesting. This is set up all wrong. Alright, so that, yeah. AU lab should be going into the system. Okay. System should not. Alright, how's that? Okay. And Spotify should be going into AU lab. Alright. Alright, we should have music now.
I show you things that you never seen. I know places you've never been. So where the grass
How's the music volume? Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Ah, the music. Why is it doing that? Ah, alright, actually, you know what? I have this. We're gonna do this through iTunes because I have that album through iTunes, and then it won't be streaming it, so it'll be faster, and it'll make my other streaming faster. Turn that down a little bit. How's the music volume now? Turn off distractions like live streaming. Yeah, just watching me read is not fun. There's no music? Oh, come on. Oh, boy.
that gets the blame. Second single sounds the same. Loneliness is a paper's eye. Yeah, I should know. I should know.
Okay, awesome. Let's actually do it. Irie stuff. This is not gonna work because I don't have a gem set defined. So sorry, I made that go away really quickly. So here I'm gonna require active support, which is a Rails thing. It doesn't load notice I'm using Site Ruby here. So that is like the built-in Ruby that came with the operating system, the Mac OS in this case. So what I really want to use is a Ruby from RVM. So I'll quit this, Control D, and then RVM gem set. Actually, let's see, RVM list. And I've got 2.0.0 P451. Okay, let's go right to 2.2.1. So RVM use 2.2.1, and then we're gonna create a gem set. Use -- create 2.2.1 at suggestotron. Alright, so now I've got a gem set for the suggestotron, which basically means it's a set of gems that all work together. It's all the libraries basically for the suggestotron. So now, if I do Rails bundler SQLite, okay, so gem install Rails. Oh, is it going to give me version 4.3? No, 4.2, good. So while that's going, I'll read the next steps. Okay. Goals, steps to take, explanation. Is Richard saying anything? Oh, the music's a little loud. Yeah. Alright, well, I'll fix that. Alright, how's that? Is that better with the music? Okay, Ruby language. Okay, so this is some pretty basic stuff. Step 1, IRB. Oh wait, I still have to wait for my Rails to install. So IRB, gonna do some math, assign a variable. Math with variables, yay. Variables can hold more than one value. This is called an array. Yep. Okay, look, this is going now. That's good. Okay, Richard's telling me that you don't go through over RVM in the Railsbridge when you actually do it, but I was just saying how I was doing it for myself, talking about it because I had to do some stuff, so I might as well explain what I was doing. Still installing Rails. Rails is a pretty hefty library with a lot of dependencies. Come on, I want to start. I want to start. The music is good, but I want to start. Oh my god, installing RI. That's the. I should have done no rdoc, no RI for my gem install command. Okay, I don't know what I should be doing here. I'm just gonna cancel this and just do no r dot no r. It's gonna skip through all the stuff that's already installed, and then all right, now it's done. Great. So let's do these steps here. We go IRB. It runs 3 plus 3. 7 times 6. Okay. So we can check these off. My variable equals 5, 6. I'm trying not to look at the keyboard. And that's why I'm messing up the number 5. Alright. Do math with variables. My variable plus 2. Times 3. Fruits equals kiwi, strawberry, plum. Okay, we got an array. I did that one. That one. Fruits equals fruits equals fruits plus orange. So now the orange string is in the array. Then fruits equals fruits minus kiwi. And now that's not in the array. Strawberry, plum, orange. Great. Plus and minus are operators. Great. Everything in Ruby has a class, so even the number 7 has a class. Fixed num. Sounds vaguely number-like. Kiwi.class is a string, and fruits.class is an array. Great. Each class has different methods, so the methods can be used on the instances of the class. Here we are, fruits.length, fruits.first. Okay. Oh, sorry. Fruits.methods to see what methods there are. There's a whole bunch. Fruits.methods.sort. And now they're in alphabetical order. Great. And now arrays have a method called each, which iterates through the list, running code on each item. So each method runs through each item of the array. So here's some sample code. Fruits.each do fruit, puts fruit, and so you see it prints out each of the fruits in the array. So it does the stuff in the middle of that loop for each thing in the array. Cool. Conditional runs code only when a statement evaluates to true. So if my variable is greater than 1, it's going to put yay, it's going to print out yay. If my variable is greater than 1, puts yay, and so it prints out yay. And if we change it to less than, the code ran, but it didn't print out anything. Try else. So if it's greater than 1, puts yay. Else puts boo. And alright, it printed yay. Good. You can also make your own methods. Def pluralize word plus s and pluralize kiwis. Very nice. Methods take parameters, they can return data. That's great. Alright. Let's swing a method that says your opinion of fruits. Just paste it in and see what happens. Okay. Try changing this method to see what your favorite fruit is. I'm not sure what my favorite fruit is. Is it? I don't really like fruits. I like strawberry. Yeah. Let's do strawberry. Fruits.each do fruit. If fruit equals strawberry, put. This is gonna be funny. Analyze fruit plus are awesome. Else puts pluralized fruit are okay. And okay. So my opinion on all the fruits. Strawberries are awesome, so notice that it's not a very intelligent pluralization method. The computer just does exactly what you told it to, throws an S on the end of that, and calls it a day. So type exit in IRB. Okay. Getting started. We haven't gotten started yet? Come on. Alright. Alright, so I've already made a Railsbridge, CD Railsbridge, right? So I'm making the suggestion, Oh, actually no, because this is the problem. I made the suggestion folder, so I actually need to remove it, like they suggested, like they say in step 4. Okay, so I get rid of that, and then I do Rails new suggestotron. This can take a while because that's to bundle install. Let's talk to Richard while we wait.
Still a whisper on my lips, feeling that my fingers.
Oh, this is their famous song. Or this, them. It's like this one guy. Oh, it finished. That went really quick, actually. I was very surprised. Okay, cool. Bye, Richard. Alright, so I did that. CD suggestotron to get into that directory. Oops, suggestotron. Okay. Done. Alright, so open is a file. So yeah, code Rails. What? Oh, I made a code directory inside my code directory. That's fantastic. So I'm moving my Railsbridge directory up one level. And then up and our ls code. Oh, there is already a code. There was, I don't know what all these are. Oh, it's code from my programming mazes book. It's in the code directory. I'm gonna move that to mazes. Okay, and then alright, so we don't have anything else. And then CD Railsbridge Suggestotron. Okay, Railsbridge Suggestotron. Okay. Alright, so app config db public app assets. Yep. Alright, get init. Get status. Oh. Untracked files, yep. Get add dot, so add everything. So it actually tells you that it doesn't tell you this, but you can see that Rails already has a get ignore file that it generates, so it's already gonna ignore all the stuff that you shouldn't check in automatically when you get add here. Alright, get status. Okay, now everything's a new file. Changes to be committed, yep. And get commit -m added all the things. Okay, so that, did that, and get status. Nothing to commit, working directory clean. Okay. Commit early and often. I'm chatting with Richard about unrelated stuff. Woo, unrelated! Alright, Rails server in the Suggestotron. Oops. Oh my god, Rails server. There we go. Okay. Point your web browser to localhost 3000. There it is, getting started. Create a table and a scaffold. Okay. Rails generate scaffold topic. Title string description text. Okay. Okay, break db migrate. I created the table for topics. This migration was created by the scaffold generation. That's done too. Okay, so we create, read, update, and destroy or delete. CRUD. Rails server. Localhost 3000/topics. Listing topics, title, description, new topic. Yep. Why is every step called getting started? Create topic. Look at that. I'll click back. There it is. Okay, so yeah, CRUD is built into Rails. There's views, index for listing all of them, showing for showing one, new when you click new topic, edit when you click edit topic, form, which is shared code between new and edit, and the topics controller. Okay, config routes. So the route path is where Rails goes when you go to the top of the application, like slash, like the main index page basically of the whole application. And now we're rerouting it to topics index. Aw, thanks, Richard. Okay, so we basically reroute that route path to go to topics index. All right, and now if we go back to localhost 3000, this is that slash path, the route path. I still go here. Oh, I forgot to save. Alright, save it. Now run it. Yeah, there you go. Listing topics. Okay. Confirm. At the terminal, type break routes. So there's all these under the topics controller for doing things to topics. Because that's created by the resources topics route. All these paths. So this is not available because this wasn't running. Now it's running and I can see all the routes. Yay! Okay, Rails console app.topics path / topics app.topics URL. So notice that it says example.com. It's because it doesn't know where the site is hosted, so it just knows that whatever URL you're on, it goes to / topics. In a real application, if you were inside of a request cycle, you could do that topics URL call, and it would know the path that your users came in on, so then it could use that path instead of example.com. So if you were hosted on, awesomemonkey.com / topics, the Rails app sees that the request came in using that host, awesomemonkey.com, and can replace example.com with awesomemonkey.com. Okay, cool. Voting on topics. Alright, so we're going to add a new model for votes. Rails, generate model vote topic ID integer. Rake db migrate. So just created a table for votes, and they have a topic ID. Wow, I'm sitting on an exercise ball and it makes a lot of noise. I just realized that. Alright, hooking up votes and topics. Well, it tells you what the song is if you're paying close attention. That's kind of nice. Okay, topic RB. App models topic RB. None of that is any good. We want this. Okay. Open up vote.rb. There we go. So just like put the votes in the topic, and the topic in the votes, and your peanut butter and my chocolate, and all that stuff. Okay, Rails C to get a Rails console. I didn't know that shortcut, but that's cool. There's one topic. Topic equals topic first. Topic update attribute title edited in the console. So the update attributes method in Rails updates that object in memory, but also saves it to the database, so you can see it issuing an update command to the database. My topic.votes.create to add a vote to the topic, and it didn't work. Why didn't it work? I typed it wrong. My topic.votes.create. Oh, did I not save the topic? Nope, didn't save it. Okay. So because I didn't save the topic that has many votes, it had no idea that the topic had votes. So it got confused and threw an error message. So if I open the console now, after I saved it, it now knows that it has votes. So I have to get my topic back again. Alright, I've got my topic again, and like it has this empty votes. Yeah. Okay, so now I created, and then I see how many votes it has. Topic.votes.count. It has 1. This is the answer down here. And let's remove the vote. My topic.votes.first.destroy. And see it deleting it from the database. So here they give you a list of some things you can do on the class and some things you can do on the instance. People are going to get that confused, but it happens. Okay, allow people to vote. Let's go to topics controller. Def upvote. Okay.
must be a way to change. Both of us are scared to say. So
we find the topic with the ID that is the parameter to this method. The parameter in the get or post parameters. Then we create a vote and for that topic, and then we redirect back to the topics path. So resources topics, now we're going to give it a new member. So member means that it's a route for every member of the topics resource. So every individual topic has an upvote action. And we're doing it as a post. Get versus post methods. Where's Richard? There he is. And it's not saying anything. Okay. After you use topics index. After you use topic index. Zero the array. So this is all or nothing. So this is all or nothing. Fix my indentation there. Okay, so what some of this does is that, you know, you pluralize the number of votes. You say like 1 vote or 2 votes or 0 votes appropriately. Then there's going to be a button that has a +1 on it, and it's going to do a post to the upvote topic path for that topic, which is the topic that is being looped over, whichever one you're at. Yeah. And yeah, so that's what it does. I've been checking these off. Oh, I haven't checked any of them off. Oh boy. Okay. So go to localhost topics. Oh, Rails server. Over here. Run it. Upload topic path. I didn't save the routes. Wow. I'm doing bad on saving things. Okay. So 0 votes, now it's 1 vote, now it's 2 votes, now it's 3 votes, 4 votes, 5 votes. Very nice. Okay, so we should redirect to the topic list after creating a new topic.
I see there's a place for me and life is full of questions.
So after creating a new topic, we want to go back to the topics path. So topic was successfully created. Redirect to topic. I have no idea how to format this, so I'm just gonna leave it.
Keep me company as I'm searching for protection to keep me alive.
I really just want to put this like right here. Okay. Okay, cool. I did that. So add the notice. Views, topics, index. There's the notice. Topic. Notices. Aren't they great? It says topic stuff like, oh, I already had it there. So it was there twice. Okay. So notice that this happened twice here because I had this here twice. So, cool. Alright, what's next? 100 changes, good. Alright, so we're gonna not show the description on the list page and make the title a link, and when it's clicked, show the description. Okay, so first we remove the description. Yep, okay. Link to, topic title, topic. So this means the title is the words for the link, and then here is the URL for the link, and Rails will turn a model object into a link to the show page for that model. Okay. Richard says he forgot how much was in the basic curriculum. Sorry. Okay. So remove the description, make the title a link. So now this is a link and it goes to the thing. Great. Remove show, remove edit, and change destroy to delete. So we're gonna clean up links that aren't needed. So remove show, remove edit, because the title now shows, and we never edit. Change destroy to delete. Cool. Well, I still have double notices, but I deleted that one, so that's good. And this still works. Still working. We'll find out. I did the description thing wrong. I feel like. Oh, I didn't want to change that to description. I wanted to delete the whole thing. Okay. That's a lot better, yeah. Cool. Guess what? You're done. You just finished your first Rails app. Oh my god. Woo! Okay, let's add a downvote button that does the opposite of what upvote does. So we want downvote topic path. Method post, okay, and then in the routes we need post downvote. And then in the controller, we need a downvote method, which does basically the same thing, except that it has to find the topic. Instead of creating a vote, it should take the first vote and delete it. I think there's a problem with this, but we'll look at it. Oh. Index.issue. I put +1 both times. So -1, so it's deleting, it's deleting, it's deleting, it's deleting, and it gets down to here, and there's a problem. Because if you don't have it, what's the error? Undefined method delete for nil class, right? If we look in topics controller, here, there is no first vote. You have 0 votes. So it tries to call delete on nil. This whole thing comes out to nil. So what we should do is first vote equals this, and then first vote dot delete if first vote. Destroy. Is it delete or destroy? Delete works, I think. They both work. Okay. Alright. So let's go back. This is 2 votes, 1 vote, 0 votes, and now it just does nothing. Alright, so that's done. Great. Okay. Oh. Create upvote and downvote methods in the topics model. Okay. So app models topic. You want upvote. So we already have the topic. So now it's just self.votes create, and that's that. And it's gonna be similar with the downvote. We already have the topic. The topic is this topic, the self topic. So now here we just say at topic.downvote. This is at topic.upvote. Let's see if that works. Upvote, get some votes, lose some votes. Looks like it works. Great. Okay, sort topics by their number of votes. Alright, so then in our index page, we just have to do topic.all. We're getting every topic, right? In this call, to get all the topics, we just say .order. Actually, this is interesting, because if you're going to order it by something like the title, you just do that, right? I think it's just order title. Right. But how do you order by votes? Say it doesn't have. So this is interesting. Order by maybe I don't know. Rails order by count of association. There we go. This is Rails 3. This looks pretty complicated. Oh, this is like putting a counter. This looks like it does it. So instead of jobs, we want votes. That's right, folks. This is how you program. You copy and paste off of Stack Overflow. Votes.company ID. We wanted votes.topic ID. Remember when copying and pasting, you have to change things. Okay, 3 votes, and then 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 7. Alright, that seems to work. Great. Okay, I'm not going to do adding an about page. Alright, I was just reading the rest of this. Alright, I think that's it for now. I think I'm gonna call the live stream. Okay. Oh, maybe I should just wait. I was gonna take us out on this is the last song on the album, so. Show some get stuff, get status. Here's all the things that have changed. Get diff. I changed the routes, and then these are all new files. So I just do get add dot, get commit sm, initial curriculum. Alright, cool. So I'm going to create a new repository. Railsbridge intro. My version of the intro to Rails Suggestotron. Yeah. So then you create the repository in GitHub, and then you grab these commands. So this is push to an existing repository, or push an existing repository. So you just type those in. Get remote add origin, get push u origin master, and then if I refresh this page, it all works. There's the app. Cool. Is this really the last song of the album? This song is so long. Okay. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Thanks for tuning in, and I think I'm gonna try to do this like Sundays and Wednesday nights. So I'll actually be live. You'll be able to chat and ask questions, and it'll be great. All right, see you next time.